Hey everyone, welcome to the iToolab channel. Today, we're super excited to announce discounts of up to 70% off to celebrate the launches of iOS 18 and the iPhone 16. So, what do we have in store for you? You'll get 1. Snag a mystery gift by sharing our promotion. 2. AnyGo promotion. Buy one and get 3 free. 3. 70% off on WatsGo and FixGo. 4 limited time offers on select products. Are you ready to upgrade to the iPhone 16? Elevate your Apple experience with our top-notch software at unbeatable prices. Click on one of the boxes to give it a try. I've got a free license that you can use right now. If you're dealing with Pokemon Go Error 12, why not try AnyGo? Purchase the iOS app and get the Android, Windows, and Mac versions for free. You can teleport your location to anywhere you want. Want to transfer WhatsApp from Android to your iPhone 16 without losing any data? iToolab WatsGo is your best bet. You can easily move your WhatsApp data at an unbeatable price of just $11.87. Here we've got a new iPhone 16, and you can use iToolab WatsGo to transfer all your WhatsApp data. Just connect your old Android phone and your new iPhone, select the data you want to move, and sit back while the program does its magic. It's that simple. Plus, enjoy an extra $10 off on these tools. UnlockGo iOS. Unlock your iPhone, iPad, iPod touchscreen and bypass the iCloud activation lock without a passcode. RecoverGo iOS, the best data recovery software for retrieving permanently deleted files from your iPhone, iPad, iPod Touch. UnlockGo Android, a top-tier Android screen unlocker and Samsung FRP bypass tool. RecoverGo Android. Recover deleted photos, messages, contacts, and more from Android devices without backup. RecoverGo WhatsApp. Restore accidentally deleted WhatsApp chats without any backup. iToolab's mega sale is here, just in time for iOS 18 and the iPhone 16. Hurry up and take your device to the next level. And don't forget to subscribe to the iToolab channel for more exciting content. We'll see you next time.